Alright, so what I'm doing here is, this is a 2x6. I put it in behind this partition, and that's so I have something to fasten my boards to. I never did that, I never did it yet, so I have to put that in there, and then I'm going to put the insulation in behind here, and then it'll come out over this side too. So there's a piece here, and then on this side there's a piece too, so I'm just fastening a 2x6 on this back end of the 2x4. This is where the partition comes in for dividing the bedroom and bathroom, so that'll give us something to fasten the pine boards to later on once we have our insulation vape barrier and all that. So see, now we get the piece. Now we get that piece of insulation in behind here, and then we'll just put the other one. We're actually out of insulation right now for the walls, so we got to get some. But pretty easy. So we were thinking of putting like a piece of foam in here and then the other piece of header, but I don't have it on me and I don't feel like getting it, so this will be fine. So I'm going to throw this on, and I got another little piece there, and then another 2x10 I have down there, and it's going to build it out here so we have something to fasten pine to and everything, right? So to fill that back in, then we'll throw the insulation little pieces up here.